Okay, today I'm unboxing the DJI Power 140 watt GaN charging kit for you. There's a little tab at the back, it's quite easy to open. It's a bit heavy, but it's still quite compact, fitting 140 watts in here. The charger head doesn't have any screens or anything like that. The overall dark gray, space gray color scheme looks quite nice. It's a 3-port charger, 140 watts, 5 amperes, 33 watts. According to the detailed information on the back, both of these C ports can reach a maximum of 140 watts, both with a maximum current of 5 amperes, and this one is only 33 watts. It also lists various combinations below, showing how many watts each port can provide. Okay, since it's called a kit, there should definitely be a cable. It's a braided cable, and the screen is actually located here on the cable. There's also a light that comes on here for DJI. Okay, we found a drone charging base that's not fully charged. Let's see how many watts it can reach. There's an animation here, 1 watt. You might not know, but the faster the DJI drone charging base flashes, the faster your charging speed. Looking at it this way, the charging speed has actually triggered its fast charging. It shows the voltage and current here. Okay, let's try it with the DJI Pocket 4P. I have quite a bit of battery now, so it probably won't charge at a particularly high wattage, just stabilizing around 30 watts.
30瓦左右了。